you're part of the classic car show. Thank you.
146 to 15.
We actually started this event in 2018 as a possible one-off. I've always loved classic cars. We did that in 2018 for Rosemere Cancer Foundation, and we had 150 cars. 2019 we had 350 cars. We thought we'd do 600 to 700 cars. We have actually done, I think, about 660, maybe a bit more than that. So it's been great, really.
Dan Hill, Chief Officer of the Rosemere Cancer Foundation. The Rosemere Cancer Foundation is a local cancer charity for Lancashire and South Cumbria. We're based at the Royal Preston Hospital where the Regional Specialist Cancer Centre is, but we also support cancer units around all of Lancashire and South Cumbria. Amazing turnout today. I mean, there's literally hundreds of cars here, hundreds of people. It's a fantastic event. We hope it's going to raise a lot of money. Ed, who organises the event for us, over the years has raised about £80,000 for Rosemere, so he's absolutely smashing it for Rosemere. So without Ed this wouldn't be possible. So it's an amazing day and we thank everybody for their support today.
Just so lovely to see so many different cars, but it's good day to bring the car out to share, so it's brilliant.
Love car shows. I just really love them. Just to let people see. And I'm not one of these, if somebody comes with a family and they've got kids, I'll let them sit in it and have their photograph taken, because I don't believe that you should have a car and not let people enjoy it.